Imagine the intricate dance of air and temperature happening constantly around us, ensuring comfort in every season. The dedicated heating, ventilation, and air conditioning professionals who make this possible relying on their expertise and keeping their licenses active is a key part of maintaining that high standard. Generally, you must renew your HVAC contractor license every 1 to 3 years, but this time frame can vary significantly depending on your specific state or local jurisdiction. The exact renewal cycle is not universal across the board, so it is essential to check the requirements applicable to your area. The reason for these varying renewal periods and ongoing requirements boils down to public safety and maintaining professional standards. Licensing boards want to ensure that contractors remain as competent, are up to date with the latest technologies, and understand current building codes and safety regulations. These regular renewal cycles act as a mechanism to verify continued compliance, protecting consumers and upholding the integrity of the trade. To effectively manage your license renewals, begin by identifying the specific licensing board or agency that issued your HVAC contractor license. This could be a state contractor board, a city permitting department, or a county-level professional licensing body. Once identified, navigate to their official website to locate the precise renewal schedule, any required continuing education hours, and the associated fees. Mark these dates clearly on your calendar and set multiple reminders to avoid any lapses. Many jurisdictions now offer convenient online portals for license renewal, simplifying the process considerably. Additionally, some states have reciprocity agreements, which means your license may be recognized in another state if you meet certain criteria, potentially streamlining renewal if you work across borders. Always remember that proactive planning and staying informed are your best tools for seamless license maintenance, allowing you to focus on delivering top-notch HVAC services. Ultimately, consistent license renewal is more than just a bureaucratic step. It is a commitment to professional excellence and safety. By diligently meeting these periodic requirements, you not only comply with the law but also reinforce your credibility, ensure continued skill development, and contribute to the overall trust and quality within the vital HVAC industry.